How to delete YouTube channel fully. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. This is a full-on guide on how to actually do this, so I'm going to show you guys that step by step. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So there's actually two ways in order to delete your YouTube account. One way is by completely deleting your whole Google account. A lot of people would not like that because that will also use or delete your Gmail, and you might use your Gmail for regular email stuff, or you have lots of different accounts on different platforms with that email. Now, the better way is to just simply delete your YouTube account, which is a little bit weird, but I'll show you guys that step by step. So what you basically want to do is go to your settings over here. First of all, actually make sure that you are on the account that you would like to delete. Like, make sure to do that and so you don't delete a wrong account. So you want to click on settings. Once you are in the settings, you want to click on create a new channel right over here. Now, why is that? Well, every single Google account needs to have a YouTube channel. Now, you cannot delete your channel if you have only one channel on your Google account. So what we are actually going to do is first create a new YouTube channel on that same Google account, and then delete the old one so we can just use the new one regularly, like normally. And yeah, so click on create new channel. So I'm going to name this like this, and you want to click on here and click on create. Now you want to make sure to actually give it a correct name that you would like to use, of course, but I'll just do this for the sake of this tutorial. Now this is the new channel that we have created. Now what you now want to do is simply go to switch accounts. Now, as you can see, we now have two accounts. Now this is the one, your old channel that you would like to delete. And we now have made a new channel, which doesn't have any content or subscribers or whatsoever. So we now want to click on our old account again. And now that we are over here, you want to click on your profile picture again and then to the settings. Now here you want to go to view advanced settings and click on there. And here you want to click on delete channel. Now, if you click on here, you first usually have to enter a password. So I'll do that real quick. Then you will be brought to this page. So it says you're about to hide or delete your YouTube content for then your username. So there's two options, and there's I want to hide my channel. Now, what does that do? It says this will make your YouTube account and activity private. So select all of the following to confirm that you understand. So this is what it basically will make private, and you can basically re-enable your channel. So this is kind of the same as on Instagram or Facebook, where you can deactivate your account. So this is also sort of like deactivating your YouTube channel. Now the other is I want to permanently delete my content. If you go over here, it says your following will be permanently deleted. It says your one YouTube channel, your 7 subscriptions, and all of this, blah, 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 blah. But if you have not first created another channel, then it will look different. And that is why you should create a new channel that I showed before first. And the reason for that is that now I'm on a different account where I have only one channel to that Google account. And when I go over here, it says the following will be permanently deleted. Only this will be permanently deleted. It doesn't say YouTube channel. Now for this one, it does, as you can see, and that is because we have created a new channel first. So that is very important, guys. And if you do not do that, then you will only delete your videos and your playlist subscriptions and all of that, but your channel still exists. So if you want to completely delete a channel, you first have to create another one. So then what you want to do is simply accept all of this basically, and then click on delete my content if you would like that. So then your channel will be completely deleted. So click on delete my content. You have to retype your email address. Click delete my content. And it says your content is being deleted. Your content is in the process of being permanently deleted. Usually this takes a few minutes, but it can take up to a couple of days if you have a lot of content. Now my channel didn't really have any content, so this probably isn't going to take all that long. And my channel actually still exists, but yeah, It will probably be deleted in a couple of minutes or a couple of hours. That's basically it. That is how to delete YouTube channel.